Hi Crafty friends, it's Lacey a Cheeky Bum and I have a decent size Dollar Tree haul for you today. So this is like 3 different Dollar Trees and I was on the hunt for Valentine's Day stuff and none of them had very much stuff out, just like a few little things. I think they had as much Easter out as they did Valentine's. So they're still trying to get some Christmas stuff out of the way, which apparently they had extra of. I'm not sure. So I was able to find some things, but not a lot of things. But I wanted to share with you what I found. I did also find some other new items that I thought were cool. So I found this. So they have these wooden signs. This was the last one. This is kind of beat up, but I have ideas for this because I think that I am going to bling this out and take these off and cover it up. I'll probably either repaint it or I will put paper over it with whatever saying I want with some alphas and put it in my craft room because I don't like these jewels, but yes, I have pink and red rhinestones and I do like those colors together, and then I can put whatever saying I want on this. So that is my plan for that. I found these invisible writers. I've seen these. I've gotten these in swaps for like around Halloween time and stuff, but I just thought that they would be cute and to put in some Valentine Happy Meal and stuff like that, or a swap. I'm not quite sure, but they're cute and I'm glad that I have some in my stash. These are the only Valentine stickers I got. I really didn't care for what they had this year. Because all of them are kind of metallic-y and I don't love that. But I did like these like little sentiment ones because they're raised and they kind of look like a label maker a little bit. And I liked the stamps and the little hearts that kind of look like heart stamps and this little wax seal. I thought those were cute. The hearts, the rest of the hearts are just okay. Usually if they're stickers that I don't love, that I know I won't use, to craft with, I'll use them to like seal bags, or I'll put them on my Happy Mail boxes or something like that to jazz those up, but I don't necessarily use them in my crafting, if that makes sense. Oh, I do like this love. That one's kind of cute as well. But again, I wasn't really feeling a lot of the stickers. I did find this. I'm not quite sure what I'm probably hang this in my room. I'll probably add some bows or something to it. I don't know. But I thought it was cute. Looks like this bag is kind of a mix because she didn't do a very good job at, you know, separating, like the things were just thrown in. I got a couple of these fun fabrics. I have somewhat of an idea for these. I don't know if you've noticed like Ed Hardy stuff really coming back in style. One of the new lines at Michael's is like cheetah with bright colors and stuff, and I don't know, it has me very like nostalgic. I don't know why, but I'm gonna put these in my stash. I have an idea for them. I don't know if that's gonna come to fruition, but I might. I also found, you know me and these playing cards. I found more because do I need them? Absolutely not. But I found Jaws. Jaws is one of my favorite horror movies, so I thought these were cool. And this is the back, the tradition, like this is my background on my phone actually. And then they're just scenes from the movies. I found the Peanuts. These are Beagle Scout ones. I thought they were cute because they're probably all going to be Snoopy. But some of them, like I thought about possibly being able to use for Valentine's Day in like a junk journal. I'm not quite sure, but I thought that they were really cute. I got Star Wars. My boys like Star Wars, so I'll probably keep these and throw them in a box for them. They're in their young 20s, or like young 20s, early 20s. They play a lot of drinking games and card games. They really like spades and spoons. So I've been sending them a lot of these type of cards. They love them because, you know, if they get wet, they get ruined. You know, it's not a big deal. I also picked up Ninja Turtles because I loved Ninja Turtles. My boys loved Ninja Turtles. So I got those as well. Again, they just go in like a box. I always find like just boxes of random stuff and I'll send it out to them like every 6 months or so. But they love that stuff. I make them cookies, brownies, you know, Rice Krispie treats, Chex Mix, whatever they want, and put them in a box with all these random goodies that I find, socks, you know, stuff that they might need for the house, candles, like just random stuff. And they love those boxes. So I continue to do it. Oh, some Valentine's ribbon. Most of the ribbon is the same that they've had for the last couple years. So I didn't really get a whole lot, but I did pick up the hearts because I figured I'd use those the most. Oh, I lied. I totally lied to you. I said that I only bought one sticker. I thought that I only bought one sticker, but I bought these ones. And I think that the only... So to me, these kind of are hard to read. Like, see what's going on. But this little heart guy reminds me of the Miss Kate's collection. Oh, I don't know what it's called. It's a Valentine's collection that has these hearts with faces. I know not everybody likes inanimate objects with faces. But KS Craft also came out with a heart that is very similar to this. So I did pick one up. Again, I'll probably use these probably on like the outside of my boxes, Valentine stuff. I don't know if I'll necessarily use them in my crafting because like I said, they're really hard, probably because they're metallic. If they weren't so shiny, they would be a little bit more legible, I guess. So I didn't think that I picked this up, but apparently I did. I also picked up, so around Christmas I was making, I posted it on my Instagram. I was making little paperclip tickets. I was inspired by Ashley Bright. She was making some, and I needed more colorful paper clips because I realized I didn't have a lot of Christmas colored ones. So I bought these kits. I probably won't use, I mean, these magnets, maybe these push pins, but I will use like the alligator type of clips because those always come in handy. And I really just got them for the paper clips. So this one has a light pink, a light purple, a light blue, and a white. This one has orange, a light pink, yellow, and blue. And this one just has black, white, gray, and like a cobalt blue. So that's mainly why I got them. Again, I use alligator clips a lot. I probably won't, I mean, push pins, I have a cork board, but I don't use them all that often. And the magnets are usually, I don't know if they're any good or not. I mean, I could, I don't know how, like, they're like strong or not. Oops. Yeah, they're not super strong. So that's why I don't really care for these type of magnets because, yeah, they're usually not super strong. That's what I got upset. I find one thing that I get obsessed with and, you know, I run with it. I've also found these. These were by like the coloring books, and they are, I opened one up to see like what it was. So these are coloring bookmarks. And they only had these two ones, which was travel and plants. But I thought that these were really fun and cool. I really like to color. These are shiny, so I don't think like, I don't know how well these will color. But I thought that they were fun. I have a lot of book lovers. But I thought that they were kind of fun. I want to open up the travel. I should have opened this one up first. But yeah, again, I thought that I could use the, like, color these and I could always put them in, like, journals. I'm not quite sure, like, traveling notebooks, adventure books. Like, I have a lot of, like, travel albums and stuff like that. I'm not quite sure. But I thought they're actually pretty cool. So if you knew somebody who'd like to color, I don't think that you could use gel pens on these. You might get away with markers, but I think that you're going to have to use colored pencils. I didn't realize that they were shiny. I opened it up, but I didn't realize how shiny they were. I don't know. We'll see. I finally found some of the charms. They only had one of the travel one. Otherwise, I would have got multiple of these because they're really cute. Are they a great value? I mean, you're only getting 2 charms for $1. I think these were $1.25. I don't think I paid $1.50. But this little ticket is super cute. The little plane, I really like that. And I was able to find 2 of these ones. The other charms I didn't really care for, like the girl power and the future is female. I just thought they were cute. I'll probably put them in my like Valentines swap, I think, that I'm working on. I did also find, I don't know if these are new or not, but I found these little velvet ribbons. Mine had this light pink, a dark pink, white. They also had cream and a navy blue, I think. There might have been a purple. There might have been a purple, but I didn't. I only grabbed these three. These are the three that I thought I'd use the most. It says 6 feet, so I didn't think that was that bad. So yeah, I picked them up. What else did I get? I found some purple tweezers. You know, I love tweezers. I use them every day in my crafting. Like tweezers in a bone folder is what I use the most. So I found 2 of the purple ones. Anytime I pick up or find them, I pick them up to put it in my stash for swaps because I love sharing tools that I use all the time. And for $1.25, these are like a great cheap tool. Like I don't get like the Cricut dupes out of the craft area. I don't think that those are great, but these tweezers, they're awesome. So I suggest them. Oh, I did find a purple rickrack. So I think, so yes, I said there was some Easter stuff up. This is the only Easter thing I grabbed. All the ribbon looked very similar. I don't do a whole lot of Easter crafting. Easter crafting is not my favorite. But I thought that the purple rickrack I might be able to use. I finally found these treat bags. I don't remember. I think it was Shanita that I seen haul these. Plan to Play. I think that it was her that hauled these. And I haven't found them yet, but I did find them. These are just great any time of the year treat bags to put stuff in. Let's see. I found some floss pickers. You don't want to see those, right? I found this mask. This is a pomegranate moisturizing mask. So I'm gonna probably use that tonight. I have another bag of stuff. So I found new holders. This is a purple one. And like, this is like it almost looks like it glows in the dark, but I don't know if it does or not. Almost like a yellow glitter, like a yellowish greenish glitter. Here's my other pair of tweezers. Here it is. I found this pink one and this red one. And then I found Italian caramel or Brazilian caramel. This is a like Sol de Janeiro. I spritzed it in store and it smells very good. I did also find jasmine dragon fruit. My idea to use these is like to put them in, you know, coordinating holders and put some dangles on it, like a little charm dangle, and put them in swaps because it just seems fun. I feel like everybody would enjoy them. I love hand sanitizer. I use it all the time, so why not share? Yeah, there's some more of those. I did find these, and I had to get them because they were cherries. I love you cherry much. Most likely I will do some kind of cherry themed Valentine's Day swap. I don't know. Not myself, not hosting one, but if I choose to choose paper and stuff like that, I will probably do cherries. I did pick up this confetti mix. Most of it is very similar to that I have. I don't really need much. I'll probably wait and see what Michael's comes out with or Hobby Lobby. But I do like these ones. They have the little love imprint in them, and you have like multiple different colors. There's like an iridescent pink, a brighter pink, a red. They're just cute. And then these little glitter ones. I don't think I've seen these before, but these are always fun to put in boxes and stuff like that. Jazz things up. And then I found this. Is a year of date nights. You know, I don't know if this will be any good or not, but I thought it was a cute container, and I thought that I might be able to use them in like junk journaling, stuff like that. So they had this one, date nights, and there was another one, but you get this. So even just the little container is cute. I would probably like put something in the center of this, maybe some resin, glitter, I don't know. But then you get these little things. Let's see what these are. But again, I thought that I could use these Oh, it's just date night, and you write on them. Oh, no, no, some of them are. So some of them are blank. Some of them say make a bucket list, tour local gardens, movie night. These are just kind of cute. I think they're cute. So I will do something with them, maybe. Or they'll just go in my stash and sit there for years. I don't know. You just never know. I found some more black keychains. So I picked those up. I did find some cherry and heart socks, so of course I picked those up. And then I finally found, like, I did not find these last year. I don't even know if they were out the year before, but I have not found them yet, but I finally found some. So I got 2 of each of these, like, recordable greeting mixtapes. I don't know. I just think they're really cute. And I think I have an idea for these too. I'll probably make my own label and maybe like bling these out. I don't know. I really like to bling stuff, especially if I have the time. I find it very cathartic, and I could, I don't know. I don't think I would put my own voice on here like greetings, but maybe like a cool song, whatever's popular. I'm not quite sure. I don't know. But I thought that they were cool, and I was just happy to finally find them because I have not been able to find them. So that is my haul. I got some decent stuff. Hopefully they'll put out more the Valentine stuff, maybe probably after New Year's, I would assume. That's coming up. I don't know when you'll see this, probably around New Year's. So I'll probably go the weekend after New Year's and see if they have any more stuff out. But happy shopping out there. I hope that you are able to find some good finds as well, and we'll see you next video. Bye, guys.